Hi everyone, it's Mr. and Mrs. Incognito. We're planning a trip to a premium outlet here in Georgia, which is about an hour away from us tomorrow. And the way we save money, how we budget, is that we bring our own food, like lunch and snacks. So Mrs. Cognito.
Yeah, well, what we do is this is Mr. Incognito speaking. What we usually do is we actually have a over-the-counter sink water filter system. So we actually bring our own water. So instead of buying bottled water, and plus you don't want to have those plastic bottles in the landfill anyway, but to save money, we have our own bottled water. So this is Mrs. Incognito's lunch and a snack. What we have is 2 water bottles. We have like a Madeiran oranges. I'm probably saying it incorrectly.
Mandarin.
Yeah, oranges. Now, basically, we bought this at Aldi's. Aldi's is a fantastic place to go. That's something we're going to be probably discussing in another video. But like that can probably cost a little under $2. And then we have a Boost protein drink, which you could we bought a whole case from like Sam's, which is on sale, that actually cost us about 95 cents per unit. So, and then we made a Mrs. Incognito a peanut butter sandwich. Now, basically, to kind of break it down, where the peanut butter sandwich with the Aldi bread costs like $1.35 a loaf. And each loaf, you have like 20 slices. They're only costing like 7 cents a slice, and then you're probably putting in 25 to 30 cents worth of peanut butter. So, all in all, the peanut butter sandwich is costing like 44 cents or something. It's really, minimum. And then, so basically her cost just for her lunch and a snack is going to cost about $3.89. And that actually includes, and I'm going to bring this up, right after Christmas, the day after Christmas, we went to Aldi's and they actually had Kisses, Christmas Kisses on sale for 98 cents.
And they're actually Hershey
Kisses. So Mrs. Incognito will probably eat half the bag, and I'll actually eat the other half. So it costs her like 50 cents, and that's included in like the $3.89 for her side. Now me, not to really bore you with all kinds of details, but we're discussing that part of the things we're going to be discussing is actually health issues. I actually have a situation where it's called ineffective esophagus motility, which means that my esophagus does not work properly. So I really can't swallow like solid food. So what I'm going to have to do in my case is I have a can of minestrone soup, which I buy on sale for about $1.50, and I'm going to have to blend it with my Vitamix, and then I put it into a thermos so it's liquefied, so I could actually drink it, tomorrow when we go shopping at lunchtime. So that's how I kind of get food into me. And then I also have like the Boost that we bought, for like 95 cents on sale at Sam's. And then, because I'm kind of on a liquid diet type of thing, I have a V8 juice that pretty much cost me on sale about 65 cents. And then also I'll have like Mott's applesauce, which you're looking at about on the average, costs about 35 cents a piece, which is like 70 cents. And then I'll have my filtered water that I have too. So my total cost for me, what you see here, is about $4.30, and that includes eating half of the Kiss bag of Hershey Kisses over there, because of the fact that I can suck on the candy and I can have that. So generally speaking, between Mrs. Incognito's $3.89 cost, and that includes the Kisses, and me, my cost like $4.30 for my cost, the total cost is like $8.20. So that's something that's going to give us a snack and lunch, where it's going to save us a lot of money instead of going to like Burger King, and we both spend $9-10 at Burger King for one of those menu meals that they have. So this is how we've been saving money. And this is not new, not just because we're over 60. We've been doing this for 40 years of our marriage. So, and this is how we save money, and this is how we were able to invest a lot of our money into the stock market and into CDs, and that's something we'll discuss probably in the future as well. So, we just want to do a quick video and tell you exactly what we do to save money.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow, because we'll be videoing what we find up at the premium outlet.
Yeah, thanks, guys.